In the last lecture, we have discussed first countable spaces. Today, I will continue the topic. Today, we are going to prove a theorem which states that the property of a topological space being first countable is a topological property. What do you mean by a topological property? A property of a topological space is said to be first countable if and only if it is preserved under homeomorphism. That means a property of a topological space is said to be a topological property if and only if every homeomorphic image of that topological space has that property. Let us prove this theorem. Here we have to show that the property of a topological space being first countable is a topological property. So here we have to show that every homeomorphic image of a first countable space is also first countable. Let us prove this theorem. Let xt be a first countable space and yv be any topological space. Let f from x to y be a homeomorphism, and then we have to show that y is first countable. Here, since f is a homeomorphism and image of x under f is y, so here homeomorphic image of x is y, and we have to show that y is first countable. And what do you mean by first countable? A space is said to be first countable if and only if there exists a countable local base at every point of that space. And so we have to show that there is a countable local base at every point of y. So let y be an arbitrary point of space y, as f is 1, 1 and on 2. So there exists a unique x in x space x such that f of x is equal to y. And since x belongs to space x and space x is first countable, so there exists a countable local base, say p of x at x. We shall show that the collection b star of y consists of f image of every member of local base b of x is a local base at y. So we have to show that b star y is a local base at y. So we have to show that for every neighborhood of y, there is some member of b star y contained in that neighborhood of y. So let M be a V neighborhood of y, and we know that y is equal to f of x. And since f is continuous, so we know that since M is a neighborhood of f of x, so and function f is continuous at x, so there exists a T neighborhood n of x such that f of n is contained in M. As n is a T neighborhood of x, and since b of x is a local base at x, so there must exist some member b of local base b of x such that b is contained in n. And so f image of b is contained in f image of n, but as f of n is contained in M, and so f of b is contained in M. So we have shown that for every neighborhood M of y, there exists a member f of b star y such that f of b is contained in M. Thus, b star of y is a local base at y. And here we note that b star of y is first countable, because we know that b of x is countable and corresponding to every member of b of x, there exists a member in b star of y. And since b of x is countable, so b star of y is also countable. And so we have shown that there exists a countable local base at point y, as y is an arbitrary point of space y, so there exists a countable local base at every point of space y. Consequently, y is first countable. Thus, every homeomorphic image of any first countable space is first countable. Hence, the property of a topological space being first countable is a topological property. Earlier, we have discussed several examples of first countable spaces. Today, we will discuss a topological space which is not first countable. Let us discuss this problem. We shall show that the set of real numbers together with the cofinite topology is not first countable. And suppose if possible, this R together with cofinite topology T be first countable, then there exists a countable local base at every point of R, and in particular there exists a countable open local base at point 1. Here we are taking open local base, means members of the open base will be T open sets. Say B of 1 be countable local base at 1 consists of sets Bn where n belongs to capital lambda, and capital lambda is a subset of the set of natural numbers because B of 1 is countable. As each Bn is T open, so its complement R minus Bn is T closed. As T closed sets are finite because here we have topology T as cofinite topology. So complements of open sets are finite sets, and so if we take union of these sets, union of R minus Bn where n belongs to capital lambda and capital lambda is contained in n, is a countable set, because we know that countable union of countable sets is always a countable set, and so countable union of finite sets is countable, and so union of these sets is a countable set. As R is uncountable, so there exists some element x naught in R, and x naught is not equal to 1 such that x naught doesn't belong to C. Because C is a countable set, R is an uncountable set, so we can take some point x naught in R which is different from 1 and which is not in C. Then x naught belongs to complement of C. Clearly, a complement of C is equal to R minus union of R minus Bn. N belongs to capital lambda is contained in N. And this is nothing but intersection of Bn. N belongs to capital lambda is a subset of N. And so x naught belongs to intersection of Bn. N belongs to capital lambda, and capital lambda is contained in N. And that means x naught belongs to Bn for every n belongs to capital lambda is contained in N. Now consider the set R minus singleton x naught, which is clearly a T open set. Why this is a T open set? Because its complement is finite. So this is a T open set, and this set contains 1. And as B of 1 is a local base at 1, so there must exist some member, say Bn naught of B of 1 local base, such that Bn naught is contained in R minus singleton x naught. But then x naught doesn't belong to Bn naught, because if Bn naught is contained in complement of singleton x naught, that means x naught doesn't belong to Bn naught, which is a contradiction, as x naught belongs to Bn for every n belongs to capital lambda. Thus, our assumption is wrong. Hence, R of R with the cofinite topology is not first countable. Thank you.